It's looking a lot cleaner now. She is all clean for the shoot tonight. Came to one of my favorite restaurants and I spotted this. Look how clean this is. With the OZ Futuras and the Recaros. That's sick. Wow. Yo, how long have you had this car? Oh, dang. So a long time.
The engine runs like brand new.
Dang.
I'm about to hit 230K. 230 miles.
That's nothing. That's nothing, bro. These are custom OEM throwing star faces. And then it's stepped up to like a 3-piece wheel. One of the best OEM wheels that BMW ever made. What's good, bro?
Time to see, bro.
How much was it?
I paid $700.
Damn, that's not bad.
I know, bro.
That's a good price.
So it's like an actual person.
Yo, this text is crazy.
Be like, babe, why?
Take me back, please.
Start trolling.
I'll be better. I'm sorry.
With the shades too.
Yeah, that shit's too clear. I don't even want tints.
Oh, you got these. That's a flex too. The M performance.
Yeah.
Hey, yo, Flame, how you made this one, man?
So I didn't get to shoot that many clips the other night. I did get this really cool little jacket. It has an E30 on it. Shout out to Icona Club. Pretty sick. You'll probably see me on one of their reels soon. Shout out to Cade who invited me and everyone that was there too. Probably be wearing this in the fall and winter when it gets colder. Anyways, so at the first location that we all met up at, it was a parking deck and they had a lot of speed bumps, and of course my diffuser had to rip off. So I'm actually going to paint it a gloss black and then put it back on, because right now it's looking kind of clapped, and then the top part is like kind of cracked right there. The beautiful sunset though. I kind of did like a custom paint job of my own, so I left the top part black and then the bottom carbon, but it kind of fades on the way down. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do sometimes. But yeah, it looks really ugly without it, so yeah, let me just install it. And to install it, I use zip ties. All right, there you have it. Easiest install ever. It looks kind of pushed in, but that's all right, as long as it looks okay from the side. Yeah, it looks decent. car's not even inserted. All right, let's guess it today. Probably gonna be like 48. This lighting is so good here. Someone come buy this already, dang. I was off by like $3.